Good morning, lads and lassies, and welcome to Florida. So we've got Sean here, part-time wake surfer, full-time wake foiler. No, so if you don't know, Sean is
opposite.
How many times world champion?
I've won PWT 4 times in a row, and then Worlds once, which was 22 this year, and 6-time world champion in the flow rider.
Yes, also, and like skating and surfing, he's done it all. But so he's also a Centurion team rider, and so we've come here today, and it's majorly windy. So instead of going wakeboarding and wake surfing, Sean suggested we try foiling, which I've never done. So we're gonna give it a go. Jet and himself are gonna go doubles first, show us how it's done.
Let's go,
and then we'll get into it. That is so cool.
I don't know how you feel comfortable, but I mean, me, I feel comfortable like wakeboarding, right? So I sink the thing under my feet.
Yeah, I'll try that, I think.
But you can't do that. What you're gonna do is just like normal, like you're sitting in a chair, you lift the foil out of the water.
Okay.
And you put your feet on it, like this.
Yeah.
And hold the rope, and then I'll tighten, and it'll just pop up. So like you get up like you're wakeboarding,
okay.
right? You push on your heels, you go out.
Yeah.
As soon as you get up, your butt out of the water, shift your weight to the forward part of the board so that it stays flat.
Okay.
If you don't, it's gonna pop down the water.
Okay, yeah, I've experienced that before.
So
okay.
keep that weight forward and get out to the flats. We're gonna go super slow. Okay. When you get out to the flats, keep it down. Right, when you want to go up, first make sure you fix your feet and make sure they're in a good position, and then when you want to go up, you push on the back and it's going to go up.
Okay, and you just go up and down.
So pick it up with your back foot, put it down. Okay. Pick it up, put it down, do that a couple times, and then try and pick it up and level it out. Okay. So weight like a teeter-totter, like back front.
Okay, yeah.
And keep it level.
Okay. So some of you might remember I've done the air chair a handful of times. Didn't go, well, no, the second time went pretty well. First time was brutal. So I'm going to take that vast experience to the foil.
Yeah, sink it.
No, I might try to lose it.
All right. Ah! Almost. Super close. A little bit too much weight on his toes. I'm gonna try and see if you can get back up again. On your heels! Heels! Reach forward! Stand out! Forward! Forward! Forward!
Yeah, it's just like a sensitive wake surf, like by 1,000.
Yeah. Heels, forward, heels, forward, heels, forward, down, 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 put it 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 down, relax, straighten your legs, put it down, there you go, good, right there, almost, put it down. Push down, push down. Move your back foot forward. Oh! He's like on a bull or something. Juice. Oh, he's got it. He's got the foil fever.
I felt like Donkey Kong. I just got back. What am I doing wrong? I know, like, more weight on my front foot or what?
Yeah, move your back foot forward a little bit.
Okay.
So you're not so heavy on it. The mast is moved forward, so it's a lot harder to keep it down. Forward. There you go, Dave. Forward on the heels. There you go. Good. Keep it down. Push it down. There you go. Hey, fix that back foot. Move it over. There you go. Go over that way. Yeah, there you go. Good. There we go. Yeah. Let's go. Woo! Relax. Down. Forward. There you go. Good. Alright. When you move it, you want to move like this, not like this. Yeah. Point the nose where you want to go. There you go. Put it up. Nice. Nice. Down, down, down. Now back. Put it up. There you go. Down, back. Down. Point it down. There you go. Woo.
I tell you what, it's very tough work. Thank you so much, Sean.
You're not that bad.
That's pretty bad.
That was pretty good for the first time.
I'm goosed. I'm not even gonna blame the wind.
Tiring.
It's super tiring. I can't get over how tiring it is. Whew. So unnatural to me. Thank you though.
Yeah, man. Here.
Whew,
That's
cheers.
cheers.
She's calling me, like the rainbow. She's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
I don't think you're gonna make that genuinely. No, you will. It's so close. It's close this time. I panicked, sorry. We're done. Okay, we've got a cracking sunset, nearly said sunrise. A lovely sunset. Sean, thank you so much. An absolute pleasure. It was extremely much more difficult than I thought. But nonetheless, and actually Sean then took me on a little bit of an excursion up the chain of lakes here. We jumped off a really high
Jumping tree.
the jumping tree.
Yeah.
We saw the Lady of Conway.
Yeah.
We met up with Matt Manzari, which was so cool. Yes, we just had a nice little chill day, so thank you so much, Sean.
Man.
And I think we're going to be back in a couple of days.
Yeah,
we're actually going to
Tuesday.
do some Roswell shooting, so we might get some clips of Sean actually surfing
Yes,
then if there's
we
not
will.
so much wind. But yeah, cool little foilboarding. I wouldn't say I was amazing at it. I wouldn't even say I was bad at it. I was just awful, but it was good fun. Anyway, thanks to Sean and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.